students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. I heartily welcome you in my maths class. Students, today I will teach you lattice method of multiplication. I will teach you lattice method of multiplication. So take your notebooks and pencils with you, and here we start. Yes, what is lattice method? This is another way for multiplying numbers. This is only another way for multiplying the numbers. In this method, we use lattice or grid to do the multiplication. Firstly, how to draw the grid? We need to draw a grid that has as many columns as the number of digits in the multiplicand and as many rows as the number of digits in the multiplier. I hope you have information about what is multiplicand and what is multiplier. So here I will tell you one example relating to this. For multiplying 26 by 5, here 26 is a multiplicand and 5 is a multiplier. So which type of grid we will draw? We will draw the grid that is having 2 columns and 1 row, which is having 2 columns and 1 row, like this, 2 columns and 1 row. Yes, let us understand this with the help of the example that how to use this grid for multiplication. For example, there is one number, multiply 23 by 7. So what will be our first step? 23 is a 2-digit number and 7 is a 1-digit number, and we will draw the grid 2 by 1, that is having 2 columns and 1 row, like this. You can see here we will draw the grid that is having 2 columns and 1 row, and also we will join their diagonals. These are the diagonals, we will join these like this. Yes, then what will be our second step? Write the numbers to be multiplied as shown below. See which number is to be multiplied? 23 by 7. So how we will write the numbers? Here we will write 23 and here we will write 7. Here we will write the multiplicand and here we will write the multiplier. Yes, now what is the step 3? Now multiply 2 and 3 by 7. Now we will multiply 2 and 3. We have written here 2 and 3 and we will multiply it by 7. So how we will write their product? Write the products as shown. See how? 7 3 is the 21. So we will write 21 like this. 7 3 is the 21. 7 2 is the 14. So we will write the product like this. See it again. 7 3 is the 21. So we will write 21 like this. 7 2 is the 14. So we will write 14 like this. Now what is our next step? Step 4. Add up the diagonal numbers to get the result. How to add these? We have written here 7 3 is the 21, 7 2 is the 14. Now how to add these diagonal? Now 1, we will write here 1. Diagonally we have to add, so we will add 2 and 4. 2 and 4 we will get 6. Again this diagonally we will add, 1 is there only, so we will write 1. So which number you got? 161. 161. So 23 multiplied by 7 is equal to 161, and as commonly which method we are using, we are also getting 161 as the product according to that method. So whether the method is different, means whether we are using lattice method or whether we are using the simple method of multiplication, answer will be same. Now see one more example relating to this method. Multiply 372 by 4. Now 372 is having 3 digits, so we will draw 3 columns. And multiplier is having 1 digit, so 1 row will be drawn. So now what to do next? We will write the digits of the multiplicand. 3, 7 and 2, and it will be multiplied by 4, so 4 will be written here. Again we will make the 2 parts diagonally of each this box. Diagonally we will divide it in 2 parts. Yes, after that we will do multiplication. 4 2s the 8, and you can see here 4 2s the 8. 8 is having only 1 digit, but here 2 boxes are there. So how we will write 8? 0 8. We will write 0 8. 4 2s the 8, 0 8 we will write, because we have to fill both the boxes. Then 4 7s the 28. 4 7s the 28. Then 4 3s the 12. 4 3s the 12. So here we have done the multiplication. After that we will add these diagonally. First, this diagonal is only 1 digit, this will be 8 only. And here diagonally 0 plus 8, here will be 8. And here diagonally 2 plus 2, it will be 4. And here diagonally only 1 digit is there, it will be 1. So which numbers you got? 1488. 1488. So when you will multiply 372 by 4, we got 1488. Now see one more example. Multiply 35 by 24. Yes, here we will draw 2 columns and 2 rows. Yes, we will write multiplicand on the top of the boxes and 24, that is multiplier, on the right hand side of the boxes. So now we will start our multiplication. 2 5s the 10. We will write 10 like this. Then 2 3s the 6. 6 is having only 1 digit, so we will write 0 6. Then with second digit we will do multiplication. 4 5s the 20. Yes, then 4 3s the 12. After writing these, we will add them diagonally. Here is only 0, so here this will be 0. Now which numbers will be added diagonally? 0, 2 and 2. 2 plus 2 plus 0. 2 and 2, 4. So it means 4 will be here. Then these 3 diagonally, 1 plus 6 plus 1. 1 plus 6 plus 1. Here will be 8. And this only this left 0. So what we got? 0 8 4 0. So first 0 we will ignore. So what left? 8 4 0. 35 multiplied by 24, we got 840. When we will do the multiplication in another way, we will also get 840. Means whether the way is lattice method or the simple product method, the answer will be same in both the methods. Now see one more example, that is multiply 423 by 34. 423 means 3 columns and 34 means 2 rows. Again we will draw the 3 columns and 2 rows, and diagonally we will make the parts of each box. Then after we will start our multiplication. 3 3s the 9. 0 9 we will write. 3 2s the 6. We will write 0 6. Then 3 4s the 12. We will write 1 2. Then second digit is there, 4. 4 3s the 12. Then 4 2s the 8. 0 8 will be written. Then 4 4s the 16. Yes, then after that we will add these up diagonally. Yes, first diagonal is only 2 is there, so it will be 2. Then there are 3 digits in this diagonal. Yes, 8 plus 1 plus 9, here will be 18. Then here are the 4 digits in this diagonal, 6 plus 0 plus 6 plus 0, here will be 12. Then here 0 plus 2 plus 1, here will be 3, and this diagonal is having only 1. So how to write the answer? You can see here is 2 only. Here is 2, here is 18, here is 12, and here is 3 and here is 1. So how we will find our answer? 2 will be written as 2. From 18 we will write 8 and 1 will be carried forward here. Yes, 12 plus 1, 13. From 13 we will write 3 only and 1 will be added to this 3. 3 plus 1, 4 will be there. Then this one will be 1. Then 1, 4, 3, 8, 2. We got 14,382 after multiplication. Now see one more example relating to this method. There is 124 multiplied by 128. Here 3 columns and 3 rows. Yes, so how we will write this? 3 columns and 3 rows we have drawn. Yes, 124 we will write on the top of the boxes and 120 we will write on the right hand side of the boxes. So we will start our product. 1 4's the 4, 0 4 we will write, 1 2's the 2, 0 2 we will write, 1 1's the 1, 0 1 we will write. Now second digit is 2, 2 4's the 8, we will write 0 8, 2 2's the 4, we will write 0 4. Then 2 1's the 2, we will write 0 2. Then third digit is 8, 8 4's the 32, we will write 32. Then 8 2's the 16, 1 6. Then 8 1's the 8, 0 8. After that we will add these diagonally. How we will add these? Now you can see here is 2 only, we will write 2. Here diagonally 3 digits are there, 6 plus 3 plus 8, these are 17. Then here are 5 digits, 8 plus 1 plus 4 plus 0 plus 4, it will also sum up 17. Then here are again 5 digits, 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0, these will sum up to 4. Then here 0 plus 1 plus 0, it will become 1, and this diagonal is also 0. So how we will write our answer? Here is 2 only, there is 6 plus 3 plus 8, it becomes 17, but we will write only 7. 1 will be carried to next digit. Here is 8 plus 1 9 plus 4 13 plus 4 17, and 1 from here it has become 18. From 18 we will write 8 only and 1 will be carried to next digit. So here is 2 and 2 4 and 1 carried, that will be 5. Yes, and this 1 will be written as 1 and this 0 will be written as 0. So first 0 we will ignore because no number starts with 0. So our answer will be 15,872. When we will multiply 124 by 128, we will get 15,872. Yes students, hope you have understood this concept. Do the practice of the sums, then you will come to know it in a better way. Thanks and have a beautiful day ahead.